Hi boys and girls, today we are working with long vowel silent E. This week we are focusing on long A with a silent E that is not pronounced. The first word we're going to write is plain. Please finger stretch plain. P-L-A-N, plain. Please write the word plain. P-L-A-N, plain. And we have a silent E on the end that makes that A say its name. We are going to do this symbol that shows that it has the silent E syllable pattern. Our next word is the word cane. Please finger stretch the word cane. K-A-N, cane. Please write the word cane. K-A-N, cane. We have that silent E on the end that makes the long vowel sound. Please draw your symbol that shows the gesture that is a long A silent E syllable pattern. Our next word is vein. Please finger stretch the word vein. V-A-N, vein. V-A-N, vein. Our next word is the word glade. G-O-A-D, glade. Please write the word glade. G-O-A-D, glade. And we have that silent E on the end that makes that vowel say its name A. I'm going to draw the symbol that shows the syllable type that we are working with this week. Our next word is the word made. Please finger stretch the word made. M-A-D, made. Please write the word made. M-A-D, made. And don't forget to draw that syllable that shows the long A silent E pattern. Our next word is the word mate. M-A-T, mate. Please write the word mate. M-A-T, mate. That silent E is making the vowel say its long sound A. Our next word is the word cape. Please finger stretch the word cape. K-A-P, cape. Please write the word cape. K-A-P, cape. Now remember that silent E on the end is making that vowel A say its name. I'm going to draw my symbol to show the long vowel silent E type. The next word we're going to write is the word flame. F-O-A-M, flame. Please write the word flame. O-A-M, silent E, making that A say A. Draw the symbol to show the long vowel silent E syllable. Our next word is the word wave. W-A-V, wave. Please write the word wave. W-A-V, Don't forget that silent E on the end that makes that vowel say its name. And our last word is the word skate. S-k-ate, skate. S-k-ate, skate. Silent E on the end that makes the vowel say its name. All right, boys and girls, you are going to need a red and blue crayon. And today we are going to color all of the vowels red. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. And we're going to color all of the consonants blue. So please take your red crayon and I want you to color all of the vowels that you see. We are going to have a lot of A vowels this week because we are working with long A. And we are going to have a lot of E vowels because we are working on that silent E that makes the A say its name. So go ahead and pause the video and please color the rest of the vowels red. All right, my friends, now that you've done that, we are going to color all of the consonants blue. Consonants are all of the letters in the alphabet except for the vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. So go ahead and please color all the consonants. Pause the video. All right, my friends, now that we've colored all the vowels red and the consonants blue, I want you to take a yellow highlighter or crayon and just go ahead and trace the gesture that shows the long vowel silent E pattern. Way to go, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn your paper over. Please write your name at the top of the paper. We are going to write a sentence. You can see that we have 5 words. We have the word cape, flame, wave, rake, and skate. So we are first going to write a sentence with the word cape in it. I can wear my cape. If you want to go ahead and highlight the word that we were writing in a sentence, that would be great. The next word is flame. Please take a minute to think of a sentence that has the word flame. My sentence is going to be, the flame is very hot. You can write your own sentence if you'd like. We always need a capital at the beginning of our sentence. The finger space, flame, and we need an ending punctuation. The next word is wave. My sentence is going to be, I can see the girl wave. You can write a different sentence if you'd like. But my sentence is, I can see the girl wave. So I need a capital at the beginning of a sentence. Finger space. Can see the girl ending punctuation. All right, my friends, you are on your own for the last two sentences. Our next word is rake, like a picture of a rake right here at the top. And then the last word is skate. So please write me a sentence with the word rake, and then write me a new sentence with the word skate. Don't forget to have a capital at the beginning of your sentence, finger spaces, and ending punctuation. When you're done, go ahead and turn this into your top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls.